That was when I got it's still delicious.
The hog. Actually funny.
They painted it. They like. Oh, cool. Wait, what's happening?
Yeah, November
3 months.
fall.
No, sorry. I think she would have gone
Thank you so much. That's just today. It's like it'll be a physical copy, right?
So it gives like all the finals.
Thanks, choose up, guys.
Are you 5'9"?
I just ran 5'9", I'm gonna be honest. I'm 5'8" and 7 I say 5'9". Actually, it's so fun to boogie board on.
Yeah,
It looks awesome. It also sounds like if you ate it, it's just
Dude, it's so
gonna
cool.
eat you. I'm sick of this hairstyles. Exposure.
We should, but
Where are we hiking?
Oh, there's baby cows.
great life does count.
Yeah. delicious. There's this parade happening in the town, and it's called Fool's Parade. And apparently it's like the April Fool's themed parade. There's actually a lot of people. And the mountain and the cliffs look really nice with the sound. Should I keep going? Corky! Who's that girl right there? Show us, I guess, right here. The beer in your bush.
Mix this with the pilaf. There's plenty of salt.
You